Okay, hey guys, it's Danny. Show you a little bit of what I can do. Let me move it right there. Okay, is that better? I think it's a little dark. I'm going to be singing "Shut Up, Skype." Okay, I'm gonna be singing for you. I'm gonna be doing "Kiss You" by One Direction. So I hope you guys like it, and I hope this gets more viewers. Oh, I just wanna take you anywhere that you like. We could go out any day, any night. Baby, I will take you there, take you there. Baby, I will take you there. Oh, tell me how to turn your love on. You can get anything that you want. Baby, just shout it out, shout it out. Baby, just shout it out, yeah. And if you want me to, let's make a move. So tell me, boy, if every time we touch, you get this kind of rush. Baby, say yeah, 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 yeah. If you don't wanna take it slow and you just wanna take me home, baby, say yeah, 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 yeah. Let me kiss you. I hope that gives you more of a feel for more of my videos. Love you.